Today we're going to be learning about multiplication using base 10 blocks. This is a flat, and we know that a flat has 100 units on it. If you put this flat right here, you know that this side has 10 and this side has 10. And if you multiply 10 times 10, you get 100. If you count each individual unit within this flat, you get 100. Now say I wanted to look at a more difficult multiplication problem. Let's say 14 times 11. So I know that this is 10, and I would go over 1, 2, 3, 4 more, and this is 10, and I would go 1 more to make 11. And then this dead space right here, or empty space, I will add units. 1, 2, 3, 4. My answer would be 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 150, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 14 times 11 would equal 154. Now if you have students who are a little bit younger, you can simplify this problem or this strategy by doing 4 times 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. You would add your units to fill in that space. And you would count those units. So 4 times 2 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we all know that 4 times 2 is 8. This is just a visual way to show it. Now moving on to the back with division. Okay, moving on to division. 3 divided by 3. We know that in division we want to take our original number and divide it into 3 equal groups. These will represent our 3 equal groups. So if I have 3 of these and I want to divide them by 3, if I have 300 and I want to divide it by 3, I'll put each flat into my equal group, and our answer would be 100, because one equal group has 1 flat in it, which equals 100 units. Now a little more difficult problem would be 369 divided by 3. So I would have 3 flats for 300, 6 longs for 60, and 9 units for our ones place. So just like in the previous problem, we want to divide everything into equal groups. So I'm going to start with my longs and divide them into equal groups. Or, I'm sorry, my flats. And divide them into 3 equal groups. Now I'm going to divide my longs into 3 equal groups, since we are dividing by 3. And then I will divide my units into 3 separate equal groups. So my answer would be what one equal group is. So it would be 123 would be my answer. And if the problem was a little bit more difficult, where say I needed to move, I didn't have an equal number in the ones place, I would decompose my tens place. So I would take one of these and get 10 equal units and then distribute those into my equal groups after decomposing the 10, or the long.